Hey all, Russ here at RVerTV. Welcome. Check this out. I just received from EPOCH two 48-volt batteries. I'm going to have a fun little project here. I'm going to hook them up in my shop. These are going to be the backup system powered by solar, 100% solar, for my new printers. I bought a laser printer and a 3D printer. Actually, there's going to be more than one of them. There's the charger for it, 48-volt charger EPOCH sent. To start making my own merchandise for the channel, especially down around Quartzsite. So I'm going through, I'm going to get this hooked up. I am also going to replace, let me show you here. There you can see the bus bars. I'm going to do it right. This is going to be a permanent install here in the shop. I'm going to replace this Sun Gold inverter. It still works, but I have a newer system. And also up on the roof I have solar panels. I have 4 big panels. I have about 1,600 watts of solar on the roof of this Connex. It's just an old storage container I converted a few years ago into a shop. And here's the machines. Also, I got a computer system here that will be operating. I put in a mini split to keep this air conditioned and heated for the machines. That's very important. And I have some insulation in this storage container. But you can see that's an X-Tool UV laser. Then there's a small, just a fiber laser or diode, whatever they call them. It's a learning curve right now. We're just getting it going. And then down here's one of the 3D printers. I'm still waiting for another one to be delivered. But once again, it's going to be all kinds of fun stuff. A lot of giveaways, all kinds of things. And it's critical when these machines are running that they have 100% power and backup. And a power outage, it ruined the merchandise. EPOCH's been a friend of RVerTV. Last year, I put in 3 of their 12-volt batteries in the brand new van. And it powered it beautifully, flawlessly, actually. I had tons of power all last summer traveling using these EPOCH 12-volt 460 amp hour batteries. I could even run the air conditioner in the van off the inverter in last summer, so it worked good in a pinch when I couldn't plug in shore power. Anyway, EPOCH's been a friend of mine for a while. That's the charger you hear. Each battery, I'm going to do them separately. Charge each one separately before I hook everything up, get them up to 100%. That tape on the front, I just write the serial number on the front so I can see it. But we're charging right now. EPOCH has a great app. I'll show you that in just a minute. I'm going to mount one of these low meters too in here somewhere. This is going to be a fun project. Can't wait until we get the machines fired up. Batteries have built-in Bluetooth. You can connect it right to the app. It'll show you the charge rates, all of it. It'll even break it down by cell. Keep track of history, everything. Each battery has its own serial number. There. Sorry, I had to do that one-handed. And there's the voltage of the cells and all that. Great app, great company. Good warranty in these batteries too. Here's the brackets. If you want to floor mount them, these batteries are meant for boats, RVs, and a shop, just like this. Heck yeah. But it comes with the brackets. There's bolts. Bolt right into the battery to the floor. Okay, great manual. They really get detailed in this. Can show you, like, I'm hooking two in parallel, and I am using the bus bars. I'm using that setup right there, and I'm cutting all the wires exact lengths, so everything will be uniform with bus bars connected. Once again, this is going to be a permanent backup. I shouldn't even call it backup. It's going to be the main power for the printers, especially when they charge off solar and everything. Let me open this door, get a little better light here. Each battery has its own communication. Here's the dip switches, settings. Depends how you're going to hook them up. Switches are located right on top of the batteries. You just take that little plastic cover off and you can set them up. In the manual, it'll give you all the different settings. Depends how many batteries you're putting in parallel. I think they say up to 16 batteries. Woohoo! 16 of these can go in parallel. More batteries and more storage. More capacity of the system. Right now, I'll see 2 should be enough to off the solar panels during the day. 2 should have enough capacity to keep the mini split going, and then during the day run the machines. The machines aren't a huge draw on power. The 3D printer, I believe, would have the most draw. I'll find out. It's kind of a learning curve for me right now too during this setup. Once again, this is a fun little project, and thank you, EPOCH, for furnishing the power here. I'm very excited. All right, batteries are all charged up, hooked up. You can see the bus bars. In this cabinet, I will make little walls. This is going to be a little more of a permanent setup. There's the charger right there. I just need time to do it. But for this video here, we're going to fire up those printers here in just a minute. I'm going to use the old inverter. I have everything wired off the roof. Panels are hooked up. And everything will feed off this plug right here. Alright, setting up a tumbler right here in this new X-Tool UV laser. Can make coins, can make all kinds of prints. This will be a fun little project. Like I said, a lot of giveaway stuff this year too. This is all about having fun this year. Alright, while this is being set up, let's jump over on their website and I'll show it to you. Here's their website, epochbatteries.com. Go by application. You can see they got golf cart batteries, marine, boating. These guys are huge. High quality. Trolling motors. Big time deal there, huh? Go get that big fish. RV batteries, just all different kinds, shapes, 12 volt, clear up to 48 volt. Look at that, even electric lawnmower batteries. Now, here's the big deal, support. Huge. Right here in the good old USA. Support for golf cart, marine, RV. Get in touch. They even give the Support person's name, James, Nick, or Charles. Schedule a call right there. And they are located in Georgia. How about that? Atlanta, Georgia. Or you can send in like an email or something like that. But once again, Epic Batteries support very high quality batteries. Let's go back to this page. Advanced lithium battery system, shot by application. You have the Elite series. Look at that. There's their anglers, marine batteries, RVs, yay. Golf cart. They also connect up with Victron systems. It comes with all the wiring and everything. You can plug it right in. Once again, make sure you check out epicbatteries.com. All right, let's make something with the lasers. What do you say? Well, how fun. We're making mistakes. We're learning these machines. But once again, this is very, very important to have these machines just solid power. No power outages. That way you don't lose the print. It's going to be a lot of fun. Later this summer, this fall, I'll do another video on how all this is working. But I want to thank Epic. Here's the permanent setup with the inverter, solar controller off the roof, all 48 volt. Right now I just have extension cords run, but It'll all be hardwired. Once again, I'll show it later this year. And all kinds of RVerTV merch and giveaway merch will be coming soon to you. Thanks for watching. Check out EPOCH.